Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is really exciting and a bit special for me because we are doing a Google Cloud Goodies unboxing. Google Cloud has sent me this goodies box, and I'm genuinely excited to open it and share the experience with you all. Even the packaging looks clean, premium, and very well designed, which already gives a great first impression. In this video, we'll unbox everything that's inside this package and talk about the quality, design, and usefulness of each item. Before we start today's unboxing, I want to give you some background information about Google Cloud and Google Cloud Arcade, so you can better understand the context of this video. Google Cloud is a powerful cloud computing platform that provides a wide range of services such as computing, storage, databases, data analytics, and AI/ML solutions. It is widely used by developers, students, and professionals who are building their careers in cloud technologies. If you are someone who is learning cloud computing or planning to work in the cloud domain, Google Cloud is definitely one of the top platforms to explore. Now coming to Google Cloud Arcade. Google Cloud Arcade is a learning-based program where participants complete hands-on labs, challenges, and real-world cloud tasks. The main goal of this program is to make learning interactive, practical, and engaging. By completing these labs, participants gain real experience working with Google Cloud tools and services. Some time ago, I participated in a Google Cloud Arcade program and completed the required labs and challenges. After successfully finishing the program, I received some goodies from Google Cloud Arcade as a reward. Actually, I received these goodies quite a long time ago, but they were delivered to my other location. Because of that, I couldn't unbox them earlier. So recently, I had them shipped to my current location, and that's why today I'm finally doing this unboxing video. Now let's see one by one what items I received in this goodies box.
Sol y arena, oh so bright, baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high, feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like stars. Baila, baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual. Luna.
First, let's talk about the bag. As you can see, the bag has a very clean, minimal, and professional design. The material feels strong and durable, and it looks perfect for daily use. You can easily use it for office, college, tech events, or even short trips. It's quite practical and spacious enough to carry a laptop and daily essentials.
Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high, feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like stars. Baila, baila, en el mar. Keep it going.
coffee mug. The mug looks simple yet premium and fits really well with a desk setup. It's perfect for your morning coffee or evening tea while working or studying. It may look like a small item, but it's definitely something you can use every day. Now coming to the wooden wireless charging pad. I want to mention one thing here. I had already unboxed the charger earlier, so in this video, I'm just showing it to you and sharing my experience. The wooden finish gives it a classy and premium look, and it looks great on a desk. It supports wireless charging, so you just place your phone on it and charging starts automatically. No cables, no mess, very clean and convenient. Overall, I really liked all the goodies. They are well designed, useful, and feel premium. Receiving such rewards is very motivating, especially when they come from a global tech platform like Google Cloud. It feels great to be recognized for learning and actively participating in such programs. If you are interested in cloud computing, Google Cloud, or developer learning programs, this video can be both helpful and motivating for you. If you enjoy tech-related content like unboxings, cloud updates, certifications, job drives, and career guidance, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are interested in cloud technologies.
Shine like stars.